Hey friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead. And today I am working on putting together my basket for a coffee lover's basket. This is going to go, I can't say who because they'll be watching. This is going to a friend. Anyway, so I've got a big bowl because we are going to make a few things. First, because I know this is her favorite, I'm going to make her some Swiss mocha. Okay? So we're going to start out with 1 cup of instant coffee. Any kind, just instant coffee. You can do this decaf by all means, because I drink decaf and that's what I do. But this is the leaded. Okay, so we're going to do 1 cup of this. Okay, we got 1 cup there. Okay. Garbage. All right, now we're going to do 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to need a little more. Just a little bit more. Yeah. There we go. Okay. 1 cup of sugar. And then we're going to do 2 cups of instant, actually powdered milk. Instant dry milk. Powdered milk. We're going to do 2 cups. Well, maybe a little more, huh? I'll do a little less this time. Okay. I've never been good at measuring. I just fling it all in there and mix it up. All right, so 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And here we are. There's 1, 2. She's going to love this. 3. This is easy to make. 4. You can double it, triple it. You can make a whole bunch. That's it. That's simple. 1 cup of instant coffee, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of powdered milk, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay? Which would be a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Right, whip this all together. Whisk it together real good. You could probably even sift it. But you want those little granules in there because that's the coffee. See how it's mixing? Real nicely. Okay? Oh my gosh, this stuff is going to be so good. I know I've made this with decaf because I have to drink decaffeinated coffee. Alright, that I should say is mixed together pretty darn good. Now, these little buckets I think are the cutest things ever. I found these at the dollar store and I got 2 for $1. So, and they got a little tab here. You can take the lid off. We are going to see if I can manage to do this. I'm going to fill it in here. And these are all cleaned. I washed these buckets all out real good. Doesn't that make a cute gift? How easy is that? This, my gosh, this darn near fills this. I think I will fill it. 1 batch. Filled that little bucket. Perfect. Look at how cute that is. Can you see that okay? You hear it snap? And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little sticker on the top here of what it is and a pretty little Christmas sticker. Isn't that cute? So that's the first one. Okay, we'll set that aside. We're going to use in the same bowl. It won't hurt anything because it's another coffee mix. We are going to do a mocha cappuccino mix. So we are going to use 1 cup of coffee creamer. Plain, not flavored, just plain coffee creamer, the dry. The dry. Must be dry. All this must be dry. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. 1 cup. Okay? All right, now we're going to do 1 cup of cocoa mix. This is my homemade cocoa mix, which I do have a video on this already. We're going to need 1 cup of this. Well, I'm going to do 1/4 cup, so I'm going to do 4 of them. 1, 2, and I already have a video on the hot chocolate mix, so you might I'll have to put a link to it. There's 4. There's 1 cup. My grandkids go through this like wild, but it's so easy to make. Okay, 2/3 of a cup of instant coffee. Yeah, okay. Let's see if I got a 2/3 in here. Nope. Wouldn't you know it? All right, I'll be right back. I got one here. I gotta dry it out. I did all my dishes and I leave them on my counter to air dry. Okay, 1/3 of a cup, 2/3, excuse me, 2/3 of a cup of coffee, instant coffee. And I have another one right here. Okay, there's that. Okay, and then we need a 1/2 cup of sugar. So I'm seeing it right up, a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'll do this right here. A little bit more. Okay, 1/2 cup of sugar. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, right here. I won't use a 1/2 tablespoon. Remember, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, that's right there. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And I have that right here. There we go. That's all there is to that one. Okay, let me put my lid on here. Put these away. And we're going to mix this up. And this is your mocha cappuccino mix. Oh, yum. What a nice little gift you could put together for somebody who likes cocos and coffees, or, you know, a coffee lover's basket is what I call it. You can even do decaf, because little kids can drink decaffeinated coffee. My grandkids love coffee, so I always, and it's good for me because I drink decaf. So when I have my fancy little mixes, they can have coffee time with me, and we have a ball. So you can do this for the little kids too. They would love it just as much. Now we'll see if this will fit in the other little bucket that I got. I got another one. This is going to be cute as can be in that basket. So this is all mixed up really, really good. Okay? And we are going to use the cup. And we are going to fill this bucket. Again, these buckets are all clean. I have them all cleaned up and ready to go. And I do believe this will fit in here too. That was perfect. I couldn't do that again if I tried, I tell you. All right, friends. That's how easy that was. And it didn't cost a whole lot to make. And it's beautiful. See them? How cute. Now I'll show you. And I know which one is which. You can tell by looking at them. This one is the Swiss Mocha. And this one isn't quite as full, but it's okay. And that one is your cappuccino mix. How lovely is that? Beautiful little gifts. So, there you have it. That easy. I hope you enjoy that. And when I get ready to do some more, I'll do another video on gifts in a jar. So there you have it. I thank you for watching and see you next time.